Hey everybody, welcome back to Cascadia Dispatch, Prepping for Non-Preppers. I'm Casey, and today I've got a real quick deal alert for you. Two of my favorite brands when it comes to preparedness gear are having their biggest sales of the year starting today. One of them has been going on for a little while, but it's still going on, and the other one started today. So those two brands are, before I do that, if you wouldn't mind just hitting the like and the subscribe button real fast, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, on to the brands. So the first company is 511 Tactical. They are having 25% off. It's the biggest sale that they do all year long, and they are my hands down favorite backpack company. All of my bags and backpacks that I have are from 511. My laptop bag, my kind of going out with the family bag. Yes, all of them have the fighting duck on them. Those are kind of my day-to-day bags. We also I have their Rush series. I'm a huge fan of their Rush series. I have their Rush 24, I have the Rush 72, and I have the new gigantic Rush 100. Those are more kind of bug out bags. We've taken the 24 with us to Disneyland and on family vacations. You can put a lot of stuff in it, obviously. The numbers roughly correspond to the number of hours that you would be able to use them or the amount of supplies you could put in them. So the 24 is a 24-hour bag. The 72 is a 72-hour bag. The 100 is similar to the 72, but it's got a frame inside of it, so it's a lot easier to carry. It's a lot easier to organize. So those are our new bug out bags. But then we've also got, this is a Moab 10, so this is really designed for day-to-day stuff. I have a 6, which is an even smaller one that I use when we're just going to like a baseball game or something, and I just want something so that my wife doesn't have to carry a purse with her, and I'll just put her stuff in there. But I absolutely love all of their gear. It's really ergonomical. The straps on the backpacks are super comfortable. They're just fantastic, fantastic backpacks. They also make clothes and accessories and pouches and all kinds of different things. And I have a few things outside of backpacks, but I really love them for their bags and their backpacks. The second company is Maxpedition. And if you've been watching this channel for, I feel like any amount of time, you've heard me talk about Maxpedition and their pouches. I absolutely love their pouches. As much as I love 511's bags, I love Maxpedition's pouches. So they have so many different types of pouches, and right now they're doing a buy one, get one free on all of their Legacy series. And their Legacy series is essentially all their kind of classic designed pouches, but also includes backpacks. So they have backpacks, they have great backpacks. I prefer the design of the 511 backpacks to the design and look of the Maxpedition backpacks. But as far as quality, Maxpedition's a very high quality product, so you wouldn't go wrong getting a backpack from either place. But I just prefer the 511 bags over the Maxpedition bags, just like I prefer the pouches over the 511 pouches. So the pouches, they have all different types of sizes. I think I have almost every size pouch that they make. This is their fatty, they have EDC, they have a mini, they have all different kinds. They have really interesting names, but really it's just kind of, there's a beefy, they're just really just the bigger sizes. I started with the EDC size pouches for my standard EDC pouch, and then I've moved up to more of the fatty and the beefy ones, just because I feel like I put more stuff in them. These usually fit in my laptop bag, or I put them in the kids' emergency kits are made with these pouches. So you really can't go wrong with them. They do have different colors. All of my pouches for the most part are black or gray. I think I have some red emergency like first aid kit ones that they make, which are really great. But for the just kind of everyday stuff, I have the black and the gray ones. In addition to bags and pouches, they also have things like this toiletry kit, which I really, really like. We've taken this camping with us, and they have a smaller version and then this new larger version. This is actually now our kind of hygiene kit that we're gonna put in our bug out bags, but also have it made up for traveling. So instead of having a very pretty toiletry kit when we go traveling, we're gonna have this bad boy right here, and it's got enough for our family of all the stuff in it, and then we can also have it ready to go in case we had an emergency. So this is great. The way that they do the ordering, you want to keep an eye on the cart. I've seen them do it a couple of different ways. Usually it's one item of buy one item, get one of lesser value. Sometimes when you order it in pairs, it will give you the one that you ordered as the free one. Occasionally, I have seen it where they actually will do the pair of the less expensive thing for free. So you just want to double check your cart before you check out. I don't know if that was a bug from the past or if that's just the way they're doing it. They changed the way they're doing it. But just keep an eye on your cart. Make sure that you're getting the free thing because you don't want to buy, two $50 pouches thinking you're getting them, buy one, get one free, and they're going to be $25 each, which is a great deal. And then find out that actually instead you got the $10 pouches or something like that for free and you're paying full price for the other ones. You want to make sure that you're getting the free one on the expensive stuff. So that is just kind of my quick deal alert. Again, I love both of these brands. This is their biggest sale of the year. I've been watching their sales for the last 3 or 4 years. The cadence that they do sales, 511's always got the 25% off, although in the past I think it's been 20% off. So 25% is I think the biggest sale I've ever seen from 511. And then the buy one, get one free. Maxpedition runs those occasionally during the year. So if you miss this one, keep an eye out for one. They'll probably have it in a few months. But I always love trying to stock up. I went last night to look to see what I could get and realized I think I have all of the pouches. Like, I can't think of a pouch that I don't have. So sadly, this is the first one of these that I will not be buying anything from Maxpedition, but that's only because I have literally tubs of pouches staring at me right now that I haven't even taken the tags off from the last one. So would encourage you guys to jump on that if you're interested. I will put links to both of the brands down below. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them. I'm happy to review. We'll do probably in-depth reviews on all of these over the next several months because I love them and explaining them is super fun. So leave a question or comment if you want that. Please go ahead, like, subscribe if you haven't already for more deal alerts and more great content. And we'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.